Hey guys, it's Libby. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but this is a very good reason why. I have been waiting for this package to come. I ordered a drone from Amazon.com, kind of like the one Charles Trippy has, only not as expensive. I had decided after everything that I was doing was for other people with my money, I decided to get this for myself, and I wanted to unbox it. I got, not the black one, I got the white Syma X5SW drone, and I'm excited to open it. I ordered this past Friday, which today is Monday, and I got Amazon Prime. Oh, it's so pretty. And just look at how pretty it is. Ugh. Sorry. I am so excited to use this. I talked to some police officers here in town and made sure that, you know, I could fly it, that I wouldn't get in trouble. That is really close to my face. And they said I wouldn't, so I'm going to charge it up, and I will be uploading videos later from flying my drone. Okay, bye guys.